Ready to take your Photoshop skills to the next level and craft eye-catching visuals. Let's dive into the world of image layering. First up, the drag-and-drop method. Locate the image you want to add from your computer and simply click and drag it directly into your open Photoshop document. Photoshop will automatically create a new layer for the image. Alternatively, you can use the Place Embedded command. Go to the File menu, select Place Embedded, then navigate to the image you want to add and click Place. This also imports the image as a new layer. Another way is to use Copy and Paste. Open the image you want to add, select all content, then copy it. Then in your target Photoshop file, paste the selected image. It will paste into its own new layer. Now, let's talk about resizing and positioning. Once your image is in Photoshop, use the Move tool to drag it to your desired location. Press Ctrl+T to activate the transform controls, then drag the corners to resize and rotate for the desired results. And finally, for seamless integration, experiment with blending modes in the Layers panel. Find the Blending Mode drop-down menu. Try different modes like Multiply, Screen, or Overlay to blend your images together for creative effects. And that's it. You've successfully added another image to your Photoshop project. Experiment with these techniques to create stunning compositions and unleash your creative vision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.